Hey, what's going on? This is Mike with brandtheboss.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over 10 websites to make money online with. Stay right there. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, I'm Mike with brandtheboss.com, and what I'm going to be doing is going over 10 websites that you can make money with online. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this. As you can see right here, the first website is YouTube, and we're actually in my YouTube account. So as you already know, you can make money on YouTube by making videos, whether it be on product reviews, affiliate marketing. You could basically shoot videos to sell products or services or whatever and make money that way. What you can also do is sign up for their monetization program, where YouTube pays you a portion of their ad revenue. But there's a few qualifications in order to meet before you can have that activated. So right now we're in my back office, and as you can see, my account status is not enabled, only because I don't meet all the qualifications yet. So I've only been doing YouTube for about 4 or 5 months, and so it's a little process, but once you have met those qualifications, then you'll be good to go and start earning money based off of your views and subscribes and all that good stuff. But basically what you have to do is you have to accept their partner terms. You have to create an AdSense account, Google AdSense. You can go ahead and just search that up, because you have to link it to your YouTube. Go over your preferences. And then the fourth one is you have to reach 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and achieve 1,000 subscribers. So as of right now, I'm at 522 out of my 4,000 that's needed, and I only have 207 out of the 1,000 subscribers that's needed. And really all it comes down to is just to consistently put out video content. The more videos that you have out there and the longer that they are, the more watch time you're going to get, and naturally you'll get more subscribers as well. But once all of these are checked off, YouTube will review your account, and 9 times out of 10 they'll accept you unless they don't like the content that you're putting out, maybe if it's against their terms of service. But you'll most likely get approved, and then you'll also start from there to earn money apart from their ad revenue. So that is YouTube. So we're gonna go jump over to the second website. And that is Fiverr. Okay, so you're probably familiar with Fiverr. Fiverr has been around for quite some time, but just in case you're not, Fiverr is a place you go to get, like, you know, gigs done, like little things done. Everything starts off at $5 and goes up from there, and it doesn't matter what it is that you do. If you as a customer can go to Fiverr to, you know, maybe hire somebody to write content for you, or to create logos for you, or to do some sort of graphic design. The options are endless. All you got to do is go through this and just kind of browse and see the type of things that you might want to get done, and just pay for the services. But the way you can earn money is becoming someone that actually provides the services for individuals. If you are actually providing the services, then you can get paid and you can earn an income that way. And it doesn't matter what it is that you might do, whatever your specialty is or your skill set, you can advertise yourself on here and charge pretty much whatever it is that you want. Everything starts off usually around $5 or $10, and it goes up from there. So for example, you see this young lady right here. She says she will design YouTube thumbnails for you. So she has 751 reviews, and she's got a 5-star rating. So she's had at least over 700 customers, paying her at a minimum of $5 each. And I'm pretty sure she probably goes up as high as maybe 50 bucks or something. So you can see how the money can add up and how you can actually earn. So this is always something that you can do on the side as well. So let's go ahead and jump to the third website. All right, so the third website is Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. You can go to kdp.amazon.com. And all this is a publishing site through Amazon. So you create a book and then you publish it on here, and when people buy your book, you make money. That's all it is. So you know how you'll go on Amazon.com, you're searching for stuff, you might be looking at books, and you have the Kindle version, the Kindle option of a book. So therefore you can just have it go straight to your Kindle. Well, that's basically what this is as well. So if you have a book, if you're an author, or you have a guide, anything that you believe that is worth selling on Amazon, that is a book of sort, or something for someone to read, you can publish it through here and make money selling your ebooks and things like that. So that is also an option to make some extra money. So let's move on to the fourth website. All right, this one is one of my favorite ones because I am an affiliate marketer. So this is a place for affiliate marketers. It is called JVzoo, and what it is an affiliate marketplace. So this is where you can create and promote digital products and put them on here. So as an affiliate marketer, you would come over to this site right here and browse through the different digital products that people have uploaded or put into JVzoo that for sale to be promoted. And you can go ahead and request an affiliate link and promote people's products. So if you are a person that actually creates digital products, you can go ahead and sell your products through JVzoo and have other affiliate marketers promoting your product, and you just cut them a commission when things get sold. So it's a win-win for both sides. So this is a very good place to come to if you are a product creator and you are trying to get your stuff on the market and you want to leverage other people selling your product. So JVzoo, this is a good one. So let's move to the fifth site. So the fifth site is also another affiliate network. It's Clickbank. It is probably the most popular and well-known affiliate networks around. And similar to JVzoo, you would just come here, and if you are like I said, an affiliate marketer, you will find different products on here to promote. And on the flip side, as a digital product creator, you can go ahead and add your product to Clickbank to be promoted by other affiliate marketers as well. So Clickbank and JVzoo are both similar. They're both places that you can use if you're a product creator to go ahead and upload or add your products to there so other people can come promote it for you. So another great way to make extra money as a product creator. So the next one is, what are we in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth site now. All right, this is DasCash. So if you go to www.dash.cash, what you'll come up right here and see is what Dash is. It's a cashback program. So it's an app. So all you have to do is you link your debit credit card to your account here, and you earn cash back on purchases. And then you also get paid on referrals as well. And as currently right now, they are paying $5 per referral. And so I think this is a pretty cool thing. It's very, I mean, this is pretty easy. I mean, there's a lot of cash rewards programs out here, but this one's a pretty cool one, and it's very easy to just refer people, because who doesn't want to get cash back? So it's another little way to add a little money. You're not going to get any life-changing income, but something's better than nothing, and you don't have to put any real work in it as well. So that is dash.cash. So let's go to the next one, which is the seventh website. So the seventh one is Amazon Associates. And so basically all you're doing with this one, Amazon Associates is their affiliate program, okay? They don't use the word affiliate, they say associates. So all you're doing is promoting Amazon products. So for example, when you go on YouTube, you might see a lot of different review channels for beauty products, tech products, all sort of different things. And when you watch it, you'll get the review and they'll lead you to a link in the description for you to get more information on the product itself, which usually leads you to Amazon.com. So therefore you can go ahead and purchase the product. So if you wanted to start up a review channel or a review blog reviewing anything that Amazon actually carries, you could do that, and you can get a unique affiliate link or associate link, and that is how people can buy products through that link. You'll get the commission for it as well. The only drawback with Amazon, of course, is their commissions aren't very high, and it also depends on the category of items that you're actually selling. As you can see with this slider, 8% on furniture, home and garden, 5% on digital music. So it really comes down to what it is you're promoting and selling. Usually what you'll see is a whole lot of tech stuff, because tech products cost a lot more money, so you'll get a bigger cut. So that's how you kind of make up for the lack in commission percentage that Amazon is actually giving to you. And another cool thing with Amazon Associates is, say you're promoting a specific product, as I believe as much as I know right now, it used to be this way and it probably still is. Your special link, your unique link, is cookied for 24 hours. So anyone that clicks on a link to look at a product that you might have reviewed or referred, if they buy that product, or if they don't buy that product but they decide to buy something else on Amazon, you'll get the credit for it. So you'll receive commission on anything that they buy on Amazon within that 24-hour period. So that's pretty cool. So that's another way to make some money. So let's go ahead and head over to the 8th website. All right, this is Upwork. So this is a freelancer site. So basically, if you're a business owner and you have some stuff that you need to get done, for example, maybe you might need some web development work done, or you need somebody to design you something or to write some content for you. This is a place where you can hire freelancers to do these things for you. So on the flip side, what you can do is become a freelancer. And if you happen to have any of these skill sets that they show right here, and it goes deeper, but if you have any unique skill set that'll be helpful to a business owner or anyone in general, you can go ahead and market your services right here. You just create an account and you can go ahead and bid on jobs that people put out. And so this is great for virtual assistants. This is probably one of the top places to not only find a virtual assistant, but if you are a virtual assistant, then you want to go ahead and showcase your skills and your services on this website. So let's move to the 9th website, which is IWriter. All right. So similar to Upwork, what IWriter is more focused on content writing. So if your skill set is writing, you love writing and you're very good at it and you can do it quickly, then you can become a IWriter with them. You will have to apply to become an IWriter or a writer with this company, and they're not always accepting applications, but if you do get accepted, then you can make money just writing papers, writing articles, writing blog posts, writing whatever it is that people need done. Business owners or blog owners always need content writers because it takes a lot of time, and that's usually a skill set that they would be more than willing to pay somebody else to do for them so that they can focus on other income producing activities. So if you happen to be a writer and a good one, you could get paid for writing these articles and make a nice little income as well. So IWriter is definitely something you can check out if writing is your thing. So let's go to the final website, the 10th website. All right, and I chose this is SiteGround.com, okay? So what it is a web hosting platform. So if you are going to have a website, you have to have somebody that's going to host it. There are a number of hosts out there. You have SiteGround, you have Bluehost, you have GoDaddy, you have HostGator. There's a lot of them, all right? But specifically, I chose SiteGround because I'm familiar with them. I use SiteGround for all my websites, and SiteGround also has an affiliate program. So that means you can earn money by referring SiteGround services to other people who might need to make a website or host a website. So with their hosting affiliate program, these are their numbers right here. You can earn as little as $50 per sale to $100 per sale. And if you just happen to be like an all-star, then they will actually customize a price for you for your specific need, or for your just for you, if you happen to be somebody who's doing 21 plus sales a month of their hosting services. So that is also extra money, and this is great for affiliate marketing as well. A lot of people, when you're in affiliate marketing, sometimes it's very easy to overlook things like this. The very tools that you use, 9 times out of 10, have an affiliate program attached to them, and you can also refer that software, that tool, to other people, especially if it's working well for you. Hey, so if you're an up-and-coming affiliate marketer looking for some more training, looking to up your skills a little bit and start to grow your income for your online business, then click the link below for my #1 recommendation on the best training for affiliate marketers and anything having to do with building a business online. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I'm putting out another video. And as always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. And I'm Mike Garvey Jr. with brandingboss.com. Check out the website, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.